Look at yourself. Really look. Are you proud of the man staring back at you? Or are you carrying the dead weight of your past mistakes, your regrets, and your pathetic, weak habits? You are watching this because you are exhausted. You are sick of the mediocrity. You are tired of saying tomorrow and waking up as the exact same failure today. You are stuck because you are trying to fix a broken machine. You are trying to apply a fresh coat of paint to a rotting house. Stop trying to fix the old you.
If you want to command respect, if you want to master your reality, you must do something brutal. You must completely and utterly destroy the person you were yesterday. The ancient Stoics did not believe in gentle transitions. They believed in the ruthless execution of weakness. The great Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." You cannot forge a new empire until you have burned the old one to the ground. The identity you are clinging to right now, the one that makes excuses, the one that seeks pity, the one that cares what other people think, is your greatest enemy. Welcome to WisdomWave.
Today, we are going to tear down your outdated programming and forge a new, unshakable mind. Step 1. You must execute your past. Right now, you are a prisoner of your own narrative. You tell yourself stories. I've always been lazy. I'm just an anxious person. I failed before, so I will fail again. These are not facts. They are psychological chains that you choose to wear. To rebuild yourself, you must eliminate the idea that your history dictates your destiny. The Stoic Emperor Marcus Aurelius ruled the greatest empire on earth, yet he constantly reminded himself that the past is entirely out of our control. It is dead. It is gone. Why are you letting a ghost dictate your actions today? You must ruthlessly sever your emotional attachment to who you used to be. The mistakes you made? Leave them in the dirt. The people who disrespected you? Erase them from your mind. When you wake up tomorrow morning, the man who went to sleep the night before must be dead. You owe him nothing. You do not owe your old friends the old version of you. You do not owe your family the weak version of you. Master your present moment by burying your past. Step 2. You must do this alone. You cannot reinvent yourself in the exact same environment that broke you. You cannot forge iron in a lukewarm room. You need the extreme heat of isolation. Most men are terrified of being alone because in the silence, they are forced to confront the pathetic reality of their lives. They use cheap dopamine, social media, alcohol, toxic relationships, and meaningless validation to drown out the silence. Eliminate the noise. Cut off the leeches. If you want to rebuild yourself, you must enter a season of absolute solitude. Marcus Aurelius taught that we must retreat into the quiet of our own minds. He said, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." Weaponize your isolation. While your peers are out wasting their weekends, destroying their dopamine receptors, and seeking approval from people who do not care about them, you will be in the shadows, reading, training, building, planning. When you withdraw from the crowd, you stop absorbing their weak programming. You stop caring about their trivial opinions. Isolation is not a punishment. It is the ultimate crucible where a boy is burned away and a man is forged. Step 3. Reprogramming the machine. The old you was a slave to his emotions. When he felt tired, he quit. When he felt insulted, he threw a tantrum. When he felt anxious, he froze. The new you does not care how he feels. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotion. It is about destroying the idea that your emotions control your actions.
From this moment on, you will install an iron firewall between your impulses and your decisions. When the urge to indulge in weakness hits you, you will observe it and you will kill it. You want to sleep in? Get up. You want to eat garbage? Starve the urge. You want to text that person who disrespects you? Delete their number. You are going to rebuild your self-respect through undeniable proof. Confidence is not a magic trick. Confidence is the result of keeping promises to yourself. Every time you do what is hard instead of what is easy, you strike the anvil. You forge the armor. You must become so relentlessly disciplined that the old you would be terrified of the man you are becoming. Reinvention is not a weekend project. It is a war. There will be days when the ghost of your old self tries to drag you back down. Your mind will beg for the comfort of your old, pathetic habits. Your so-called friends will tell you that you've changed, trying to guilt you back into the swamp of mediocrity with them. Look them in the eye and tell them they are right. You have changed, and you are never going back. Destroy the victim mentality. Destroy the need for validation. Destroy the boy and let the man take his place. You have the power to write a completely new script for your life, starting the second this video ends. Do not waste it. If you have the courage to burn away your old self, you belong here. Hit the subscribe button right now. Join the 1% of men who refuse to let the modern world break them. Leave a comment below saying, "I am destroying the old me," to seal your commitment. Master your mind. Master your reality. This is WisdomWave.